Application software. The need and role of application software. Application software refers to computer programs that are designed to perform specific tasks or functions for end users, such as word processing, accounting, graphics, or gaming. Application software plays a critical role in today's digital world, as it enables individuals and organizations to accomplish a broad range of tasks and goals efficiently and effectively. The need for application software arises from the fact that most computer hardware is generic and cannot perform specific tasks without software. Application software is developed to meet the specific needs of end users, providing them with tools and functionalities that enable them to perform tasks ranging from simple to complex. For instance, a word processing application enables users to write, edit, and format text documents, while an accounting application provides tools for managing financial records, generating reports, and analyzing data. The role of application software is to provide a user-friendly interface that enables end users to interact with the computer system in an intuitive and efficient manner. Application software is typically designed to be easy to use, with intuitive menus, buttons, and icons that enable users to perform tasks quickly and easily. Additionally, application software is designed to be flexible and customizable, enabling users to tailor it to their specific needs and preferences. Overall, application software plays a crucial role in enabling individuals and organizations to leverage the power of computer systems to accomplish their goals. Without application software, computers would be little more than glorified calculators, incapable of performing complex tasks or providing the functionality required to meet the diverse needs of end users. Working with application software. Working with application software involves several steps that may vary depending on the specific application being used. However, some general steps that are typically involved in working with application software include the following. Installation. Most application software needs to be installed on the computer system before it can be used. The installation process typically involves downloading the software from a website or installing it from a CD or DVD. Once the software is installed, it is usually stored on the computer's hard drive. Launching the application. Once the application is installed, it can be launched by clicking on its icon or shortcut on the desktop or start menu. Familiarization with the user interface. Upon launching the application, the user is typically presented with the user interface (UI) that enables them to interact with the software. It is important to take time to familiarize oneself with the UI, including menus, buttons, and other elements, to use the software effectively. Performing tasks. Once the user is familiar with the UI, they can begin performing tasks using the software. The specific tasks that can be performed depend on the software being used. For example, a word processing application can be used to create and edit documents, while a graphics application can be used to create and edit images. Saving work. It is essential to save any work done using the application software regularly to avoid losing it in case of a system crash or power outage. Exiting the application. Once the user is done with the task, they can exit the application by clicking on the exit button or by using the keyboard shortcut, for example, Alt+F4. Overall, working with application software involves installing, launching, familiarizing oneself with the UI, performing tasks, saving work, and exiting the application. It is important to follow the recommended practices to ensure that the software is used efficiently and effectively.